Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ophis jong Deputy Commissioner West Chanda Hills. Haka khatlai tarik leber kalau Pynlong ya jinghi kai shaki Samla Pule ka district shapang ka financial literacy ni ka jingnang jingtip haka bede bat kadukam pentrekam ya ka pisa pilan. Ya ka ni ka jinghi kai la Pynlong ha district library auditorium bentong jawai. Haka jinon lang u district and session judge NA Khan kumukong san. Superintendent of Police Jakpal Singh Dhanwa IPS. Deputy Commissioner Abhinav Kumar Singh ha jingkran pedang ulaong bahkan kejuk ke Bynta ke bala kelas stat bah ke jingnang jing start ha kaliang ke pisa tingka kala kelalong kesap ke badan kam ula banjur ke jinan kam ban penyat ya ke pisa da ke jingkit kle bat ban bu pisa da ke jing start ban kiar ne ke jingle thok ha kaliang ke pisa tingka bat ban shim ki rai ki babnya ha kaliang ke pisa tingka UNA Khan ha ke jingkran ulaong ke jing hikai ha kaliang ke pisa tingka kan pen kre yiki Samla Pule da ke jinang jing start bat ke jing tebet ban shim ya karai ke babnya ha kaliang ke pisa tingka ha ke perthai digital menta.
A bill was introduced for making financial education compulsory in schools. In 2022, it's still under the process. Before it becomes a law, this financial education will become part and parcel of your curriculum, and you'll be tested. If you don't pass the exams on these subjects, you'll not be declared graduates. You might be understanding, I must just say that on a very lighter note, when we are discussing about some financial education, you might be wondering that I'm picking up this word and I'm using financial education, not financial literacy. And I'll come to that why I'm using this word. On a very lighter note, somebody told me that what are we talking about financial education or how to manage our finance when we don't have money? Where is the question of any management? But this education, financial education, will give you the wisdom, knowledge and skill. How to acquire money. So don't have that misbelief that I don't have money, so I don't need to know about the financial management. But this financial management or the financial education will give you the skill how to acquire finance, how to manage in this digital world. Coming back to, you see, if you don't have the financial literacy, what happens is that you will not know how to manage your finance. For example, if you are a taxpayer, you will not know how to manage your finance, what is the income, and for your students also, let me tell you that it's part of your financial literacy, even if you want to go for your higher education.
That my friend is wearing this, he is driving that car, I don't have, so it's automatically you keep yourself inside. Then frustration comes, then if you keep on thinking, then it will and automatically leads to some sort of maybe drugs or sometimes even to crime or even maybe to go for even suicidal also. So these are the things why we need financial stability. You may earn in terms of lakh, crore, but if you don't know how to invest it, how to save them, then also it won't be sufficient for you. So the right thing is that you may earn small amount or whatever amount, if you know how to save, then you will be still satisfied. You will still be successful.